Please subscribe to our channel Techsish. Press the bell icon and be notified about latest videos related to technology. Hello tech buddies, welcome to our channel Techsish. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please press the bell icon and be notified to our video which are related to technologies. In today's video we will show how to read a deleted WhatsApp message. As you know, WhatsApp, one of the popular IM apps, has become much advanced over time. The creators recently introduced a new feature that lets users delete the sent messages. The feature was initially available for messages sent within past 7 minutes. Now, it is extended up to 1 hour and 8 minutes. So, anyone can delete the messages even if you read them. But in case you missed it, how do you then read deleted WhatsApp messages, images, audio, videos? As anyone can delete the messages within the time limit, you would miss texts they deleted after sending. Even if they sent it mistakenly, you will be curious. In fact, you must be looking for a solution to let read the deleted WhatsApp messages, images, audio, videos. I am using two mobiles to show the trick. Now I am sending a message from mobile 2 to mobile 1. Then I am deleting the message from mobile 2. As you can see, the message has been deleted and it's showing the message was deleted. To see the deleted message, first we have to install an application from Play Store, called NoDSave. To install the app, I am opening Play Store from my mobile. Then search for NoDSave. NoDSave. Tap on Install. It will take some time to install the app. It's installing. Now tap on Open. Once the NoDSave app open, tap on the right arrow. Tap on Allow. In the next screen, enable NoDSave. Again tap on Allow. Wait for a few moments. Again tap on Allow. Wait for a few moments. It may take some time to launch NoDSave app. Tap on Got it and go to the home screen of NoDSave application. Let's delete the message from mobile 2. As you can see, the message has been deleted. When I see it in mobile 1, it is showing the deleted message. If you face any issue, please write in the comment section. If you like this trick, please subscribe to our channel Techsish to get updates related to technologies.